Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to showcase the Wallys DR4019 Som+Base Board. Expertly designed for high-performance industrial applications and open-source router development. Powered by the Qualcomm IPQ4019/IPQ4029 chipset, featuring a quad-core ARM Cortex A7 running at 716.8 MHz, this board delivers exceptional processing power. Supporting both Wi-Fi 5 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, the DR4019 Som is equipped with a high-power 5G radio and a 2.4G radio, ensuring optimal wireless connectivity. It operates across a frequency range of 4.940 GHz to 5.825 GHz for 5G, and 2.400 GHz to 2.482 GHz for 2.4G. With bandwidth options ranging from 20 MHz to 80 MHz to accommodate various applications. The baseboard includes two 1 gigabit per second Ethernet ports and two USB 3.0 ports, providing fast data transfer and flexible connectivity options. Additionally, it features a mini PCIe slot, allowing you to install compatible Wi-Fi cards, such as the DR7915, to enhance network performance. With a reset button and a recovery key, users can easily manage configurations. Customizability is at the core of the DR4019, with both the Som module and the baseboard supporting tailored solutions to meet specific application requirements. Compatibility with OpenWRT enables advanced firmware customization and network management. Designed to operate in demanding environments, the DR4019 Som+Base Board is built for durability, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. In summary, the Wallys DR4019 Som+Base Board combines advanced specifications and extensive connectivity options, making it an excellent choice for developers and businesses seeking versatile networking solutions. For more information and updates, please visit our website.